We have gone through 13 rules in the agreement of the verb with the subject. Having done that, we will do an exercise to recollect, to remember whether what rules we had gone through, whether we can apply and get these sentences right. The verb agreement with the subject. Let's do the exercise together and feel good. Fill in the blanks with the verb in agreement with its subject. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks fill in the blanks with a verb in agreement with its subjects, with its subject. So we are going to do few sentences Okay, and now here are the sentences to look at. First, I have here all the girls. All the girls. And we have a small fill up. All the girls going. I had to put you must put the subject with all the girls. You find the verb. Going, swimming. Okay. Another sentence is 14 kilometers. 14 kilometers. 14 kilometers dash a long way to ride. Way to ride. Another sentence. His trousers. His trousers. Trousers too short. Remember all the rules we learnt, and then we'll think about it and fill up. The committee. The committee. The committee dash off one opinion. Next. Each of the sisters, each of the sisters, each of the sisters dash clever. Each of the sisters, find the word dash. No news. No news. Dash news. Dash old news. dash old news. Seventh one. One of my friends. One of my friends. One of my friends dash a doctor. One of my friends, find the verb here, dash a doctor. Eighth one, the military. The military. Military called out. Called out. Dash. Ninth one. Which of these shoes? Which of these? Which of these shoes? Shoes dash yours. And the 10th one. Now, you must have all your answers in your mind. The last question I'm writing, the last sentence rather. Neither Sam nor Mohan nor neither Sam nor Mohan dash there. Okay, now I've written all the sentences for you to fill up. Okay, let's do it together. Fill in the blanks with the verb in agreement with its subject. All the girls, remember all the 13 rules that we've done together. All the girls dash going swimming. All the girls, number of girls. So the subject is many, therefore plural. Oh, yes, all the girls are. Very good. All the girls are going swimming. Correct. 14 kilometers dash a long way to ride. 14 kilometers, as I told you, taken as one. So the rule says one. So 14 kilometers is a long way. Now trousers, always considered plural. So for the verb also will be plural. Very good. His trousers are too short. The committee dash of one opinion. The committee, you take it as a whole. So the committee is singular, is of one opinion. Each of the sisters, a number of sisters, each of the sisters. Each one. Each. When you have each and sisters, what do you say? The first noun agrees with the verb. So each of the sisters is not the one close to the verb, but the first verb. What is the rule? The first verb must agree with the verb. Very good. First noun agrees with the verb. No news. It's considered again one. No news is. No news is old news. One of my friends. Again in this regard, that one. So the verb agrees with the first noun. One of my friends is a doctor. The military, again you think it as a whole, the military was. Again singular form, the military. was called out. Which of these shoes goes in a pair. So which of these shoes are yours? Are. Again, neither Sam nor Mohan. Here you have neither nor when it's used, neither Sam nor Mohan there is there. Neither Sam nor. Now, in all these 10 sentences, we helped each other to making the verb agreeing with the subject. Let's read that together. Okay? All the girls are going swimming. 14 kilometers is a long way to ride. His trousers are, plural, are too short. The committee is of one opinion. Each of the sisters is clever. No news is old news. One of my friends is a doctor. The military was called out. Which of these shoes are yours? Neither Sam nor Mohan is here. So what did we do now? We filled in with the verb in agreement with the subject. Good.